Now, Thailand is known as the land of smiles, but it will not be the land of smiles for you if you offend Thai people. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 big things that offend Thai people that you definitely do not want to do when you visit Thailand. You see, the thing about Thai people is that they seem very kind, warm and gentle, but as soon as you offend them, as soon as you get into trouble with them, you are the one in real trouble. If you get into any serious confrontation with a Thai person, trust me, you're going to come out second best, because Thai people stick together, and also there are very strict laws in Thailand. Law and order is very strict. You do not want to be breaking any laws. Do make sure you stick to the end of the video, because the third thing that I'm going to mention is a big one that could get you actually hurt. Now, just a quick one before I do go into the 3 things. Do go to the description, do click on the link below, and also in the comment section too. I do have some Thailand branded items, some Thailand inspired clothes that you may be interested in. I recently opened up this Etsy store, and these designs are all my own designs. So if you do like the look of them, do again go below using that link, look at the store and see if you are interested in making any purchases. I really would appreciate it. I think some of the designs look cool, if I may say so, so do give them a little look. But anyway, starting with the first big thing that really does offend Thai people, and that is skipping queues for public transport. In particular, this is a big one for Bangkok, because if you are going to use the metro system, the MRT, or the SkyTrain system, the BTS, you will notice that actually you have to queue up to enter the trains, unlike many metro systems in the world where it's just a free-for-all and you can push in and skip over people. You can't really do that in Bangkok, for example. There is a queuing system, so you do have to get in line. Don't skip the queue, it's going to really annoy people. And also just for general public transport, such as boats, if you're traveling between the islands, or buses, make sure you are in queue. Thai people don't appreciate you skipping ahead of other people in the queue. Now, moving on to the second big thing that does offend Thai people, and that is not showing respect in places of worship. Thailand has some incredible temples throughout the entire country that you definitely will want to visit. Now, you are required to dress modestly at these temples when you enter them, so that means covering your shoulders, covering your knees. Do not be wearing any kind of revealing clothing. It's not going to be respected. And of course, just basic human common sense, not being loud, not being brash, obviously not damaging anything. Just be respectful, wear decent clothing that covers the shoulders and the knees. And also another thing I'll mention as well, I would recommend that you don't take pictures of monks without their permission. When I was in Thailand and also Cambodia as well, I did see a couple of tourists who got their phone out and put cameras right in the faces of these Buddhist monks. And sometimes I think tourists forget that these are actually real people. They're not walking monuments, for example. These are real people again. So if you do want to take a picture of them and get a camera right in front of their faces, do ask them. They will say yes, they will be very polite, so do feel free to ask them to take a picture. Just don't put cameras right in front of their faces without their permission. Do ask them. Now, moving on to the third big thing that really will offend Thai people, and this is especially if you're coming to Thailand for, let's say, the night time. Never, ever, ever show any disrespect to bar women or working women or women who may not have been women in the past. Now, obviously, a lot of people go to Thailand seeking these things, seeking what the night has to offer. If you do show any disrespect, or if you do get into some kind of conflict because you're not happy with maybe a service that's been provided, or dare I say, maybe even if you're extorted or overcharged in some kind of establishment, do not disrespect Thai people. Now, just to be clear, I'm actually not speaking from experience at all here. I'm just speaking from what I've seen all over social media of what happens when people go to Thailand and show any aggression or confrontation to women, or the women that used to not be women, or anyone in Thailand, just any Thai person. When people and tourists go to Thailand and disrespect Thai people, it never ends well for the tourist. The tourist always comes out second best. A lot of the time, men can fight. A lot of them are trained in Muay Thai and they will not be scared to start a fight and protect their fellow Thai countrymen and countrywomen. So do not get into any confrontation with Thai people, even if you have been overcharged a little bit for some kind of service or ripped off in some kind of way. It is not worth starting a fight for, because if you do get hurt, well, obviously, you know, that's not going to be good for you. And if you do start a fight, well, you could be in jail. And that's Thai jail, and no one wants to go to Thai jail because it is absolutely brutal. So you need to be respectful. I mean, you should be respectful anywhere in the world, but I'm saying specifically here for Thailand, don't disrespect what the nighttime has to offer, if you get what I'm trying to say, because yeah, you don't want to end up on the wrong side of Thai people. Now, if you do get hurt, if you do fall ill, if you do get any kind of injury in Thailand, do make sure you get some travel insurance. I have put a link below in the description and also the comment section too. You can go to either the description or the comment section, click that link. You can get some travel insurance with Safety Wing. They do offer really affordable plans. I highly recommend Safety Wing. Their website's very easy to use. It's very easy to purchase your plan. Their claims process is really easy to follow as well. So I definitely recommend getting some travel insurance with Safety Wing using the link below. Now, if you do live in Thailand, or if you're Thai yourself, I will be really interested to hear from you in the comment section. Do drop a comment and do let me know ways that you think tourists come to Thailand and offend you and the Thai culture. Do let me know what you think and your thoughts. It will certainly be interesting to hear some of your stories of how maybe tourists have come to Thailand and have offended you or people that you know. So do let me know any stories that you do have of bad tourists in Thailand. Now, I do hope that you have enjoyed today's video and found it interesting and helpful. If you have, click the like button. It really does help out the video. Also hit the notification bell so that you get notified for all my latest videos, and do click the subscribe button for some more travel content of mine in the future. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video.